welcome to Lisa Marvin Art and welcome to the Under 1000 collab. This is a really important collab, I think, because it gives a chance to highlight some creators that you may not have known about. Getting followers and getting your name out on all of social media is super difficult, especially now. I feel like I kind of got lucky. I started accidentally during COVID when no one had anything else to do. So everyone started kind of getting into fluid art and being interested in this kind of stuff. So it is part luck and part timing. So I'm going to go through all of the creators that are in this collab. I'm going to put their YouTube channels in my description. If you could just take a moment and support these creators, give them a follow, it would mean so much. It's such an easy thing to do, but I think it's something that we as a community can do together so we can kind of share art and get everyone's name out there. So let's go through the creators. I forgot to say, Mo picked this color combo. So I love when Mo picks color combos because he picks things I would never choose, and I always find them challenging because he loves green. So there's always green involved. So I have kind of a fun idea today. We'll wait to hear about that. I just wanted to let you know this is a Mo color combo. Thanks.
So, whoever's watching this, in the collab, not in the collab, I'm honestly very excited for this. I think this is a great way to reach out to smaller creators and possibly have the dream come true. To be a certain level in the piggy game. Start this off with a Diox purple, ultramarine violet, and then we have
Ivory black.
Then we have gold. We have emerald, lily pad, and billabong.
Billabong. Very good.
Billabong. So, I think this will be an interesting one. Oh, I'm not going too hard on you because I know some of you are new creators and new artists, and I think most of you have great potential.
Yes. So, if you don't have these exact colors, that's okay. But the vibe we're going for is purplies, dark moody purples, some golds, some bluey greens. So, good luck.
I wish you the best of luck.
So let's meet our artists. This is from Bill Robertson Art, Tammy DeCaro Art, love that bloom. Adrian and Corey from Art's Really Cool, beautiful ring pours. Bonnie's Acrylic Creation, wow, I can't do that. Diane Stahl Creative Art, love the brush painting. Beautiful bloom from Artabulous Creations. And Art by Sparkle, which has a place in my heart because we did that at PortCon. Okay, I mixed up all the colors that he said except for the gold because I'm going to be using a gold cell activator. This is my Old Holland favorite, Royal Gold, with my Australian Floetrol. And I think today we're going to go with a good old spray, oh Lord have mercy, spray paint background like I did a couple years ago because he wants gold, so he's going to get gold. Now, these are the two I've tried, and what's interesting is they both have a different effect from what I can remember. I feel like the PBO gives bigger chunks, and I don't want, chunk is such a ugly word, but, and then this Krylon gives smaller specks. I don't remember which one I like better. I feel like I'm gonna go PBO. Let's see if I'm right about that. So what's fun about using spray paint is once you put your pillow paint down and you spray it and then you spin it, you get these flecks. You may see them, you may not. I don't know. Let's just have some fun, right? So the pillow paint I'm going to use is Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Wishful Blue. It's actually more of a purple, to be honest, if you can see, but why not? This is a 16 inch? Yep, 16 inch round. We're just going to like spray and bloom and hope for the best, right? Now I did thin this down with a bit of water because I find these lighter colors a little thicker. So I'm piling it in the middle because I want to spray this and then kind of stretch it out a bit and have it break apart. Ready? Oh, and I think, shall I do a bloom vine so you can kind of see the background? I'm still nervous. above the colors, but whatever. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna get some chunkies, I think. Woo! Cool. So I am gonna spin this out a bit because I don't wanna have to spin out my bloom vine so much. So let's see if I was correct about, should I do this first? Sure. About the breaking apart and how it looks. Just gonna spin it out like that. Get some bublés out. Yeah, not chunks. Maybe the Krylon was more chunky. I like these little pieces. Okay, I think we're good. It's a pretty thin layer. Okay, so now we bloom vine. Are we doing 1, 2? Sure. I do want to make sure there's negative space to see, but so I'm gonna do like my little V. Oh, these have really thickened up, haven't they? Oops, that's a little embarrassing. Hold on. When they thicken up when they sit, we just gloop some Joe Sonia. By the way, my pouring medium's Bear Dynasty with Joe Sonia as needed. It's a little better. It's still a little thick, but whatever. Okay, ready? We're going like this. Oh, she won't even come off. That's fine. You know how I don't love lily pad as much as Mo. Anyways, I think that could be pretty, right? I'll do a little bit more. So we have a lily pad. All right. I'm going to top it off with this purple. Now, my problem is with these light purples, I always find that they kind of like flocculate a bit and like kind of look dirty. I usually make my own, but I'll use a little bit of this anyways. Just a bit. Because I don't want it to get too yucky looking. All right, next we have, this is the emerald. Okay, here we go. Now, sometimes when you stretch out the black, it can flocculate too, just FYI. But I love layering black in between the colors. It really gives cool peacock cells and cool shapes. Okay, I'll just put a little bit, right? Okay. Then I'll top with the Billabong, also lovely color. I'm gonna pop those bublés in a minute. Okay, not a bad color palette so far. Okay. And finally, the Dog's Purple, which definitely takes over. So you want to also use it kind of sparingly. And I think I'll use a white and gold cell activator. So this is going to be quite the interesting color combo, I think. So when I'm doing a bloom vine, I'm not going to put all my cell activator down at once. Like I made little drippies. I'm just going to do it in sections. So why don't I start in the middle here and move up? And I think I'll do white and gold. So I'll start here and we're going to go white and gold, and then we blow. I hope it's not horrendous. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, not bad. Let's do another one. Just got super lightheaded too. Okay. White. Gold and blue. I'm just blowing into the cell activator that looks thick because I don't want huge cells. The colors are pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. All right, why don't I just do that little piece? Then I'll spin a bit and then we will skewer. Technically, I don't even really need to do that piece, but you know, why not? Okay. Cool. Too bad I like did all these weird things, but hopefully we can make it work. All right. Not as much as a disaster as I thought. Now I am gonna spin it and then I'll probably tilt it a bit. You know, to keep things that I want, etc. Perhaps, we'll see. Okay, so here she is. Definitely worked out better than I thought. Wait till you see the close-up and the sparkle. Thanks for joining, and please remember, go to my description and please follow each one of these amazing artists, watch their videos. I hope you have a good day. Bye.